What's up guys, Andy from Greek's Garage here. Today we're going to be trying out Superclean and seeing how well it does at cleaning out this filthy interior on a 2013 Ford Fusion. Superclean reached out to me a while back and asked me to try out their product. It's a multi-purpose degreaser that you can pretty much use on anything. They sent me a few different products they sell. One was an all-wheel cleaner. The other one came in an aerosol can. The other one was just a regular degreaser. And then one that was a foaming spray. So today while I use this on the interior, I'm going to be diluting it 3-to-1. So what that means is you would fill your Superclean up to this mark right here where it says 3-to-1, and then the rest with water, and that would give you your 3-to-1 dilution. I've never used this product before, but I'm excited to see how well it will do at cleaning this interior and see if it'll get some of those nasty stains out of the seats. So let's not waste any time and let's get to it. So before we start cleaning, I want to show you how dirty and stained the inside is. So this is a tan cloth interior and it's seen some better days. Make sure you stick around to the end of the video where I show you how to enter to win 2 free gallons of Superclean. So it looks like underneath the driver's seat was used as a trash can, so it's time to clear out all this garbage. Okay, that all came from underneath the driver's seat. Jeez. Okay, now we're going to vacuum out the interior. Okay, I'm not going to focus too much on the exterior, but I want to give it a good wash before we start cleaning the inside. So I started by spraying the 3-to-1 Superclean dilution on all the door jambs and plastics. Now the first thing I noticed, it had a pleasant citrus smell and it wasn't as strong smelling as other degreasers on the market. With Superclean, it's really not bad at all. The brush that I'm using here is usually meant for your rims and tires, but it worked out great here because the bristles are nice and soft and it won't end up scratching the paint or plastics. I'll have a list down below in the descriptions on where you can purchase the Superclean and all the products that I'm using here in this video. I was amazed that after just one pass how the Superclean just melted away all the dirt and scuff marks, and it came out practically like brand new. And don't be afraid to spray the whole door down. You're not going to hurt any of the electronics since you're just spraying it, scrubbing it down, and then wiping it off. Okay, onto the back door. This is pretty much what the front door looked like, and you can see how great the front door turned out. I'm really starting to love this stuff. Okay, now it's time to move on to the front seats and see if Superclean can get out some of these nasty stains. So basically what I'm going to be doing here is spraying the 3-to-1 Superclean solution onto the seats and then scrubbing them down until all the dirt is lifted out of the seats. Next, I'll be using the shop vac to suck up all the dirt that I just scrubbed out of the seats. And then I'll be taking a spray bottle with just water in it and continuing to vacuum the seats until they are clean. here I'm putting a piece of tape down the middle just to show you a side-by-side difference when I clean one side of the seat. I really was amazed on how after only one pass, how well this was cleaning the seats. Wow, I still can't believe how great these are turning out. Okay, the back seats were horrible, so let's see if it can do the same for these. Okay guys, here's the end result. I was really amazed at how well this stuff works. And I'm definitely going to be using this stuff on my upcoming projects. So if you want a chance to win 2 free gallons of Superclean, all you have to do is subscribe to my channel and comment below on why you should win, and I'll be announcing the lucky winner in my next video.